Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Google Pixel 4 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen timeout in your phone Google Pixel 4. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Go to settings, then go to display, then go to screen timeout, and now as of now it is set to 1 minute, but the default screen timeout will be 30 seconds. Okay, if you would like to increase screen timeout, you can choose up to 30 minutes. Okay, maximum screen timeout set is 30 minutes. Okay, suppose if you would like to minimize the screen timeout, click on the first option, 15 seconds. So what will happen after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out. See here, I am waiting for 15 seconds. Yes, screen is dimming now, and yes, it is timed out. So in this way you can easily do or change screen timeout. Okay, if you would like to keep in default screen timeout, select second option, 30 seconds, so that after 30 seconds only screen will be timed out. Okay, so in this way you can easily change screen timeout in your phone Google Pixel 4. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.